Okay, if you want to deploy some text content, you're going to want to use the paragraph object. So you can start a new paragraph object by clicking on this icon in the icon bar, or by right-clicking on your page and choosing paragraph, or by using the shortcut key of Control-3, or by choosing Insert Paragraph from your Insert menu. And these are just a few ways that you can do it. Okay, we always like to look at 3 ways. So let's go ahead and take a look at the paragraph object. I've got one here on my page, and we're going to go through the properties one at a time and whatnot, but just real quickly we're going to take a look at what it is and why we have it here and what it's useful for. Basically, you can deploy text in a variety of ways in AutoPlay Media Studio. You could use flash text, HTML text in a web browser object, label objects, and so forth. But the paragraph object was best designed for this particular application. It has scroll bars that are available to it. So if I shrink this down, it has a wide variety of options that are available to it which are specific to text, and basically it's going to give you your best bang for the buck for integrating text into your AutoPlay Media Studio projects, and you'll see it throughout the built-in templates when you go to start new projects. So the paragraph object is basically a very important object to have, because you're going to find that no matter what you're doing, whether you're doing a software installer, a virtual business card, a quiz, a sales application, an interactive catalog, you know, the sky's the limit. No matter what you're doing, you're probably going to want to deploy some text content, and you're probably going to be using a paragraph object to do that. So that's the paragraph object. That's an overview of what it's good for. You'll also notice, I'm going to just pull this out, that much like the label object, it does share some attributes here with the button object. So hopefully you guys are starting to see a pattern emerge with the properties of these objects and the actions of these objects and how they work as you see the shared things that carry over from object to object. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and we'll get more in depth into the paragraph.